I'm going to use a black background for this project for no other reason that it looks good. To make the snake lettering, first make a new layer. Choose the elliptical marquee tool and hold Shift as you trace a small circle with it. Choose a mid-gray and fill the circle with that color using Optional Out and the backspace key and deselect. Switch to the burn tool set to mid-tones and add little shading to the bottom left of the ball. Hold Option or Alt to get the dodge tool temporarily. And now add a little highlight in the opposite corner. Let's color it in. We'll use image adjustments and hue and saturation. Check the colorize button. And let's choose a nice bright green for our snake and up saturation to make it good and strong. It's important to colorize it afterwards, because if you colorize it before you add the shading, you won't get the highlight to look right. Switch to the smudge tool set to 100% strength and set a brush size very slightly smaller than the circle that you've drawn. Position the tool right inside the shaded circle. Hold the mouse back down. And now you can start to draw your lettering. You'll need to do it all in one go. So take it slowly, much more slowly. But if you're drawing this on a piece of paper as you draw, you'll see this neat lettering drawing in 3D. If you make a mistake, because it's all been a single brush stroke, you could simply undo and then start again. If you've enjoyed the tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.